What's up, guys? We are back. It's been a few days. I apologize. I have been sick. I'm still sick. I've got young kids in elementary school, so they're always sick. Therefore, every once in a while, I get sick. And this time it was for real and unfortunate. So, I've got a little bit of coffee in me, and I'm going to try to make a short little video for you guys. My goal today was to do the video on how to edit code, which I tried about 10 times. I used Canva and it was not working for me no matter what I did or tried. So you guys, I just cannot win. Like the second I get ahead somewhere, something else sets me back. Something stupid that shouldn't be real is real. Comment down below. Is this everybody's life or is it just mine? I swear, like, I cannot catch a break. It's like literally the second that things start going right, something new starts going wrong. Honestly, it's like, do you guys deal with this? Are you guys constantly coming up against never-ending hurdles, like a new hurdle every couple days? Because that seems to be my life. I don't get it. I don't know why. And I wish it would stop. Anyways, yeah, I wanted to do the video today showing you guys how to edit code, and that's just obviously not going to be an option. So what we are going to do is give you an update on these wall planters. So finally the machine is working properly like it's supposed to, and I was able to get the covers cut with no issue finally. I got them all put together. I epoxied them together. I epoxied the whole inside where dirt would go. Again, I did that just to hopefully avoid any wood rot or anything like that. All surfaces where dirt would go, and of course where water would touch, they're all coated in a layer of epoxy. So now when I was making these wall planters, I imagined flowers growing like up out of them. And for some reason I thought it was a good idea to carve the back face of these wall planters, which I think given the right plants, that would be okay. Like that would be fine for like succulents or anything real small. You know, like succulents, I'm sure there's some that grow up taller, but for the most part, most succulents are like ground level. They really don't grow up and like bloom like flowers. So I think succulents would be perfect for the wall planters I made. But if you're gonna do like flowers or anything, what I should have done was carved the front cover rather than that back face, because the flowers definitely just completely cover the back face that I carved and spent time on. So if I were to do it again, I would definitely carve the front cover or just pick different plants, right? So what I did was I went to Walmart, just picked up some cheap fake plants just to put in there for now to display them. But again, the idea is to have real plants in here. So let me just show you guys how they turned out. Here is one. We've got it packed pretty full. Again, fake flowers from Walmart. But you can see we've got the cover on there. It is epoxied on, and they turned out really nice. But again, all the work I did carving was to the back face, which is now completely covered by the flowers that I picked out. But nonetheless, it still looks pretty good. Here is the other one. Once again, fake flowers. And again, like I imagined, I guess it would work if this whole thing was quite a bit bigger, and it had a bigger back face. I think obviously then the back face would still show. But yeah, probably should have carved the front cover rather than the back face, because you can see it back there. It is completely covered by these flowers. So is what it is. You live and learn. It's hard to think everything through from beginning to end all the time and get it right all the time, right? Sometimes we do things wrong. So is what it is. But again, they turned out pretty good. Finally, the machine is working like it's supposed to. let me know, guys, in the comments what you think about these wall planters. Is it something that you would buy? Do you like the way they turned out? Again, feel free to comment and be like, yeah, man, you should have carved the front cover rather than the back. Constructive criticism is certainly appreciated. So, I'm not sure what we're going to do for videos next week. Hopefully I will be feeling better and we can get a lot more done. Still dealing with trying also to repair all the issues with my rental units. You know, just patching holes in the wall. I'm gonna have to paint, all that good stuff. So once again, a lot on my plate and nothing seems to cooperate with me, and I have been sick, so we are really going through it here, guys. But next week, you know, we'll certainly do some videos, hopefully. I don't really have any plans on what we're gonna do. I was thinking my kids need a holder for their toothbrushes, you know, just to keep them separated so we're not sharing germs or anything like that. So maybe we'll do something like that next week. We'll see. But either way, I at the very least wanted to give you guys the update on the wall planters and let you guys know I've just been sick. So that's where we're at, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. Like I said, hopefully next week will be better, and we'll certainly get some videos out to you guys. So I appreciate your time. Please like I said, comment on these wall planters if you would like down below, and otherwise share the video and subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Appreciate it.